Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add audio in Canva. So let's get started. At first, sign into your Canva account, open the design you are working on or start a new design. Locate the audio tab in the left-hand toolbar. You will find it on the element section. Scroll down and there you have it. Click on See All. Now browse through the available audio options in Canva's library. Choose the audio that fits your design. Once you have chosen the audio, click on it to add it to your design. You can change the audio track, volume and more. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.